back at you. So today I'm starting to do internal accessories inside the Tesla Y. So I appreciate you joining me. We're gonna have a lot of great videos coming up. If you like what I'm doing or have suggestions on what you'd like to see, please go ahead and leave those comments below. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and here we go. So what we're gonna do is work on installing two minor accessories into the car. One is going to be, I've got this Insignia 3.0 USB extender. Since we only have one USB in the car, I wanted to upgrade. I've seen a lot of different accessories that you can get that's got hidden storage compartments, but for me, I just wanted to get a few extra little ports, and what I'll probably end up doing is getting some Velcro and Velcroing that in place. Also, what I'm gonna do is I got my mini USB port so that we can start to record our drives as well as Sentry mode on the car while it's parked. So what ended up doing is purchasing a 125 gigabyte flash drive. This is already formatted in the FAT32 formatting for the drive. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work. We're doing this together live. So I wanna, see what my experience is gonna be, and you can kind of compare it to yours. Again, the name brand on this is that PNY brand. I saw some pretty good reviews on it online. I got it at Best Buy. I think it's on sale right now. So that's what I ended up deciding to go with. This should be more than enough as far as space is concerned. The minimum that you want to do on size for this external flash drive will be 32 gigabytes. But one thing you want to make sure on the packaging is that it has a write speed of 4 gigs second, I believe. Anything less, you might run into some issues. You also want to make sure that that flash drive can write backwards compatible to a 2.0 USB drive. So let's see what happens. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just get this opened up here. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to see or not, but we'll do our best. As you can see, the light is working, which is a good thing. So now we actually have 4 extra ports for USBs. I can hook up a gaming remote, any other accessories, plug in some extra phones if need be, outside of the 2 charging ports here. And like I said, I'll probably end up getting some Velcro and Velcroing that to the side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plug in the flash drive, and let's see what happens. Great. So you could see immediately in the upper right hand corner that now I actually have a new feature. That is a little camera, and the light is on. So if we go ahead and click on that, you can actually see that that will record our dash cam as well as save the footage, or we can actually launch the viewer right from here and take a look if there was any footage found. So there's nothing on here since we just turned it on. So we'll go ahead and get out of there. But what I want to do is show you where to go to actually see if that's working. So you're going to go into your main menu, then you're going to go to safety and security, and you'll have to scroll down just a little bit, but you can see, so by default your actual Sentry mode is in the off position, and before you can actually get into this, the first thing you want to do is look to see if your drive is formatted. So I went ahead and pulled up this menu. I've already done this. I actually made sure that the drive was formatted on my computer. As you can see, it's supposed to be in the, I believe it's FAT32. You can actually go ahead and hit format right from here, and the car will attempt to do that on your behalf. Then from there, you have a few options. The first one here right above that format is save clips on honk. So assuming that you get into an accident or someone's pulled out in front of you and your natural instinct is to honk the horn, the cameras will immediately start recording, which is nice, just in case something happens. But you know, let's hope for the best, right? So the other thing I want to point out here is Sentry mode. So in the upper right hand corner, you can actually see that my little eyeball icon is dark. So if I turn on Sentry mode, you can actually see now that that has turned on. So Sentry mode, anytime somebody gets near the car or somebody's attempting to break into your car, Sentry mode will not only record that side of the car where the activity is happening, but if they get inside, they'll actually blast your radio as loud as possible. So that's a nice security feature on the car. And you have a few other options that you can do. I recommend that you do this, but right now I've excluded my home. So I went into my locations and added my home. So anytime that I come home, this feature will not work, as my car's parked in the garage. So it makes a lot of sense. So it's not recording every time I walk past it. Also, I can exclude my work because I'm working from home. Haven't activated that feature. But a few different options here when it comes to that. Now, if I want to turn Sentry mode off manually, I can just come up there and turn it off. So hopefully this video helps you understand how to get that feature to work. If you like it, please go ahead and remember to smash that like button. Subscribe, because I'll have some more simple video tutorials coming up soon.